Hi viewers, you're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. In a move aimed at tackling India's surging electricity demand and reducing power grid stress during heat waves, the central government is planning to introduce new rules that will cap how low air conditioners can be set. Now, under the proposed regulation, consumers will no longer be able to cool their AC units below 20 degrees Celsius, even during the peak of summer. A bold step towards energy efficiency. The announcement was made by the Union Power Minister Manohar Lal Khattar in an emergency summit in Delhi, where he described the initiative as a first-of-its-kind experiment. The government aims to standardize temperature setting across residential, commercial and automotive air conditioning systems, restricting settings between 20 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. This isn't just about comfort, it's about conservation, Khattar said.
जहां तक एयर कंडीशंस की स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन, टेम्परेचर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन, ये भी एक नया प्रयोग, नया एक प्रावधान ये किया जा रहा है। इसको बहुत जल्दी लागू करने जा रहे हैं। अब एसी का जो टेम्परेचर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन है 20 डिग्री से 28 डिग्री रहेगा, यानी 20 डिग्री से नीचे हम उसकी कूलिंग नहीं कर सकेंगे और 28 डिग्री से ऊपर वार्मिंग नहीं कर सकेंगे। इस प्रकार का एक पहली बार इस प्रयोग को किया जा रहा है। बहुत से देश ऐसे हैं, अभी बहुत से जो लोग बताते हैं कि जापान में ये 26-27 डिग्री के आसपास स्टैंडर्डाइज किया हुआ है और इटली बता रहे थे 23 डिग्री इटली में किया हुआ है। जिन देशों को हम बहुत ज्यादा अपने से आगे मानते हैं, फॉरवर्ड मानते हैं और पता नहीं वहां लोग बहुत कुछ आगे करते हैं, वहां इस प्रकार के स्टैंडर्ड हैं और हमने अभी डरते डरते उसको 20 डिग्री किया है। इसका एक अनुभव आने के बाद इसको आगे भी विचार किया जाएगा और मुझे लगता नहीं है कि 20 डिग्री से नीचे कोई करके सोता होगा। सर्वे में तो यह है कि अभी 20 लोग कहते हैं इसको 24 अभी कर दें, लेकिन कुछ लोगों की चिल्लाटना शुरू हो जाए, इसलिए 20 से 28 उसको नॉर्म्स को हमने तय किया है।
We are looking to stabilize energy demand, reduce consumption and make India's electricity use more sustainable in the long term. The rule, if enacted, would apply nationwide, including in homes, hotels, offices and vehicles. The goal is to curb efficiency energy usage caused by AC units, often being set to very low temperatures, sometimes as low as 16 degrees Celsius, especially during heat waves. The impact of this change could be significant. Now, according to Pankaj Agarwal, a senior official from the Ministry of Power and Housing and Urban Affairs, air conditioner accounts for around 50 gigawatts of power consumption, approximately 20% of India's peak electricity load. Agarwal noted that every 1 degree Celsius increase in the AC set temperature results in 6% reduction in electricity usage. This means simply adjusting the thermostat from, say, 22 degree to 24 degrees Celsius could save several gigawatts of power, equivalent to the output of a large power plant, especially during peak hours. India currently has an estimated 100 million air conditioners, with 15 million new units being added each year. Given these figures, ever modest changes in behavior and appliance regulation could translate into massive energy savings. A study by the University of California, Berkeley, cited by Bloomberg, estimates that tightening AC efficiency regulations and implementing smart temperature standards could save up to 60 gigawatts of peak demand by 2035. Now, this would estimate the need for investment worth ₹7.5 trillion in new power infrastructure. India's power grid is already under severe pressure during summer months, with consumption reaching a record 250 gigawatts last year. Now, this year demand is expected to touch 270 gigawatts, a new high. In a recent day, electricity use spiked to 241 gigawatts, the highest recorded so far in 2025. Even if the peak requirement reaches 270 gigawatts, we are fully prepared to meet it, Khattar assured. Nothing that early monsoon rains had temporarily eased demand, but heat waves in June were pushing usage up again. Now, by standardizing AC settings, the government hopes to reduce the frequency of blackouts and power shortages, especially during critical heat period when energy demand typically overwhelms supply. Beyond AC efficiency, the government is also accelerating its renewable energy strategy. Minister Khattar announced that India will soon invite tenders for building battery energy storage system with a capacity of 30 gigawatt hours, designated to store solar and wind energy. Now, this large-scale battery project will help India reduce its dependence on fossil fuels and better manage renewable energy distribution. To initiative private sector participation, the centre will offer Rs 5,400 crore, approximately $645 million in subsidies. The bidding process is expected to begin within the next 3 months. As India braces for longer and more intense heat waves due to climate change, the government's push to regulate AC temperatures marks a major shift in how the country manages its growing energy appetite. While some consumers may view the 20 degrees limit as restricted, experts argue that the comfort need not come at any cost of sustainability. With climate consumption and infrastructure intersecting like never before, India's decision to take proactive steps in managing energy use could set a precedent for other heat-stricken nations around the world. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.